Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video we are going to see why symbols are very useful and why it is very productive to use symbols instead of objects. So many people might get confused that symbols are not that significant in CorelDRAW, but in my opinion symbols are very useful and it will save you a lot of time and a lot of hard work if you use them correctly. So for that I want to give you an example. So I have created two pages. On the first page I have created some symbols or I have taken some symbols. I have created one symbols and I have taken multiple copies of the same symbols. As you can see, these are all symbols, same symbols. Now on the second page what I have done is I have taken a normal text and copied it multiple times. So as you can see, these are normal text and you can see the font name or the font face name. So let's say if I want to change something in this text, in this particular text, so as I have taken similar text, so if I change one text, I have to change all the text. So for example, let's say I want to change the color only of the second line, which is studios. Let's say I want to change it to blue. So but now here's the thing, if I want to change all the color of all the words of the studios, then I have to select each and every text individually, then I have to color them one by one. So as you can see, this is a very time consuming and also a tedious way to do it. So instead of doing this, what I have done is I have taken one symbol, I have made multiple copies of the single symbol. So let me show you how it works, how symbols work. So for that what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this normal text as a copy. As you can see, this is a normal text, or we can also call it an object. So I'm going to open the symbols Docker windows, go to Windows, Dockers and symbols. There is also a shortcut key, Control plus F3. So this is a symbol Docker. Now let me convert this first into a symbol. It is very simple. Just click on this particular button, new symbol, name it whatever you want. So I'll name it text. Let's say text. Okay, now this is a symbol. As you can see, there is a panel that is popping up as soon as I select the symbol. So this is a symbol now, and I'm going to take multiple copies of this particular symbol like this. So I have taken 3 copies of the same symbol as I have done in the first page. So let's say I want to change color, and it is not that it is limited to only color. You can change any aspect of this particular text. So let me go to edit, and firstly I will change the color, obviously blue color, and let's say I want to change the font but only of the first part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change, let's say this one. So I changed both the fonts and the color, and I'm going to click on the finish. So as you can see, all the texts or all the symbols have changed automatically as I made change in the one symbol. So that's why it is very useful. Symbols are very useful. They save you a lot of time and hard work. So if I go to the first page again, and let's say if I select any of the symbol, it doesn't really matter, you can select any symbol. So let's say I'll select this one, random symbol, and go to edit, and I'm going to change the font, let's say this one, and again I'm going to change the color. So and finish. So as you can see, all the symbols have changed automatically. That's why symbols are very useful in CorelDRAW, but many people fail to understand that why symbols are very useful. So I hope you understand now the significance of symbols in CorelDRAW, and do practice this. It will save you a lot of time and hard work. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.